Check out this snow scraper with me. I just got this, and I gotta say I would have loved to have had this winter, but it sure will come into use next winter. It has super great handle here. Here is your scraper. That is so cool. And you have this if you get something really stuck. This is solid. That is not going anywhere. That is going to do an impressive job. So then this snaps together, and then you have a full brush as well for scraping anything off. This thing is huge. It does a solid job. You can hold the brush by going like this, or it actually has a grip right here as well if you need more grip. It really, really is heavy duty. This will get all of your scraping needs done. This is great for a car or your house. I mean, this can work on anything. Your porch, your railings, anything that needs scraping, this can do it. And it comes with a bag, which, as we know, once you're finished scraping, it can get a little gross. So I love that you have a bag to shove it into. Now, to fit it in the bag, you do need to take it apart. So you'll push this button here to pop it apart. And since it's brand new, it's actually a little hard to get apart, but it does come apart. And then you can just stick it in its bag. And that will keep your car clean and keep it in easy access for when you need it again. The FOVAL snow brush. Super impressive.